Have you ever wondered why some athletes seem to have it all? Explosive power, chiseled abs, and knees that can withstand anything? Or maybe you're looking to transform your own body, boost your performance, and stay injury-free. Well, today, we're diving into 3 powerful secrets that can help you achieve just that. Sprinting for explosive power, core strength for a functional and aesthetic midsection, and bulletproof knees for lifelong athleticism. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about sprinting, the ultimate power building exercise. Unlike long-distance running, which focuses on endurance, sprinting targets your fast twitch muscle fibers. These fibers are larger, stronger, and more explosive, making them key to building muscle and burning fat. But here's the kicker. This hormonal boost not only helps with fat loss, but also promotes muscle growth, injury recovery, and even longevity. And the best part, sprinting is incredibly time efficient. Research shows that sprint interval training can reduce body fat 40% more than HIIT and a staggering 92% more than traditional cardio. Plus, it takes far less time to complete. So if you're looking for a minimalist, high-impact workout, sprinting is your go-to. To get the most out of sprinting, focus on form, push off the ground like you're trying to move the earth beneath you, keep your knees high, and stay relaxed. Tension slows you down, so aim for 90% effort. It might actually make you faster. And if you're feeling adventurous, try hill sprints or sand sprints. Hill sprints build leg strength and improve technique, while sand sprints activate stabilizer muscles and strengthen your core. Just remember to start slow, especially if you're new to these variations. Now, let's shift gears to your core, the powerhouse of your body. A strong core isn't just about looking good, it's about functionality, stability, and being ready for anything life throws at you. To build a truly functional core, you need to target all the key muscles: the rectus abdominis, your six-pack muscles, the obliques, for that V shape, and the transverse abdominis, your natural weight belt. The transverse abdominis is especially important. It cinches your waist, supports your spine, and helps you lift heavier and move better. One of the best exercises for a strong sculpted core is the Abby rollout. Whether you use an Abby wheel, a barbell, or even Olympic rings, this move challenges your entire core through a loaded stretch. It forces your abs to work from both sides, activating both the upper and lower portions simultaneously. Plus, it integrates your core with your upper and lower body, creating stability and alignment. Start with the basics, the hollow body hold. Tilt your pelvis up, pull your ribs down, and brace your core like you're about to take a punch. Once you've mastered this, move on to kneel and rollouts, then progress to stand and rollouts. For an extra challenge, try oblique rollouts, or use a ramp to gradually increase difficulty. And if you really want to level up, add ankle support to engage your hamstrings and create full body integration. A strong core isn't just for show, it's your foundation for everything from lifting heavy weights to throwing a knockout punch. Finally, let's talk about knee health, the unsung hero of athletic performance. Knees are the most commonly injured joint among runners and athletes, often due to a problem called dynamic knee valgus. This is when your knee buckles inward during movement, putting stress on the joint and increasing the risk of injuries like runner's knee, torn ligaments, or meniscus damage. So what causes knee valgus? 3 main factors: weak glute muscles, especially the gluteus medius, overpronation of the foot, and a lack of kinesthetic awareness, basically not knowing where your body is in space. To fix this, start with the runner's hang. This simple yet powerful exercise strengthens your gluteus medius, improves foot and knee alignment, and builds kinesthetic awareness. Stand on one leg, keep your knee aligned over your foot, and focus on activating your glute medius. Feel like you're hanging off that muscle while maintaining stability. You can also add variations like lateral hip hacks or single leg squats to further strengthen your lower body. And don't forget to check your foot mechanics. Calf raises and towel crunches can help strengthen your arches and prevent overpronation. So there you have it. 3 game-changing strategies to transform your body and performance. Sprint for explosive power, strengthen your core for functionality and aesthetics, and protect your knees with proper biomechanics. Remember, fitness isn't just about looking good. It's about feeling strong, staying injury-free, and being ready for whatever life throws your way. So, what are you waiting for? Lace up those shoes, hit the ground running, and keep moving forward. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. Until next time, stay strong, stay focused, and keep chasing your goals, especially if you're new to these variations.